Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today's unboxing, I've got a 1997 Chevrolet Corvette AMT Ertl 125 scale. Skill level 2 on this kit, and this one came out in 1997. This is 8327. Go ahead and get right into this one. Well, as always, I hope everyone's having a great day. Oh boy, we've got molded in gray parts. Excuse me, molded in gray parts on this one, guys. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Yep, there we go. Alright, here we have a really interesting look for that. That's funny. There's the body. It's a decent thickness. Not much to it. A couple of sides held together with these little pieces, you know. Inserts, wheel... What's the word I'm looking for? Inner wheel tubs, already molded in. Alright, not a whole lot on that, guys. Here's the chassis. Upside down. Decent looking. I mean, a nice build. Real good thickness. Good and sturdy. Here is something. I don't know how that's stuck in there. There we go. Here's the interior tub. Okay details. Here's the dashboard. Very nice detail on that. Hope you can get a good shot of that. Here's the interior console. It's the little deal that goes on the front bumper. It says Corvette. These are side mirrors, steering column, steering wheel, shifter, emergency brake, side mirrors. Okay. Here we have the rear body panel and the front clip. Oh, upside down. I don't know which way it goes. I think it goes that way. Maybe it goes that way. Don't know. Okay, here is part of the engine, but I don't know what part. Is that the engine? No, that's not. I think this is, okay. Part 55. I'm going to look it up. I don't know what the heck that is. It looks like the radiator and that covers the fans right there. Oh, nice. They got the little fan inserts are separate. That's kind of cool. But 55, I have to remember what that is. I'll look that up on the instructions. Here's the engine block and transmission with the long drive shaft tube there. The heads. The front of the engine cover. Some coolant lines. Starter, alternator. I think this is the back part of the alternator. Here's master cylinder, little oil filler, and a really tiny little reservoir tank for like your windshield washer solvent. Intake manifold, and goofy little covers for the valve covers. More the oil pan. Nice looking fan belt and pulley system. That's really intricate looking. And exhaust pipes, standard exhaust manifolds. I don't know if I said those. Alrighty. Some wheel backings and exhaust. This would mount underneath the car. So it's all one piece. That's pretty nice. Front suspension and rear suspension. I think it's the rear and this is the front. Alright, and here are the wheel spindles, right here, sorry, and more parts for the wheels, and this is the steering unit. Then we have the hood with okay detail, nothing fancy, but it's there, and then the interior door panels, and the two front seats with the backs of the front seats. That's it for molded in grayish parts. And here we have the tail lights. Okay. And then the glass for the rear and the windshield. And the wraparound glass for the head, not the headlights, but the turn signals. Okay. Put them up there, keep them safe. And for chrome, I'm not even going to take it out of the bag, guys. For chrome, we got, let's see if I can flip it over in the bag. I think I can. Okay, for chrome, we have 4 wheels. I think you can see them without much glare. And then this thing right here, which I have no idea what that is. These are the 2 little pieces for the side mirrors, the little inserts. And this is part 504. We're going to look that one up, folks, because I don't have a clue what that is. Alrighty. And for wheels, some decent tires. Looks like 2 are wider than the other 2. So we have fronts and backs, okay? And they are nothing on this side. And then I can't read it. I think they're Goodyears, but it's written so goofy. Oops, sorry. Let's see if I can get you to zoom in on that. Can you see it? I think it says Goodyear, but it's written so funny. The font is so funny that it's really difficult for me to read it. I'm not sure on those, but they're decent looking, and they're solid rubber, but they're pretty decent. And for the inside, Ertl blue printer from the 90s, and then a couple of Corvette symbols for the outside, my vet, and 5th gen. Top one is Iowa. The lower one I can't make it out. Georgia. I think it says Georgia. I'll let you guys read it, and you can yell at me for not being able to figure it out. There you go. Alrighty. Now we have the instructions. So we got a decent little write-up here on 5th gen, apparently. Before you begin, and building your model kit, we'll start with the engine build. Oil pan, left center, okay. I already forgot the number that I'm supposed to be looking for, but if I see it, I'll know it. Yep, there's rear end, putting that together. Looks like the spindles go into the assemblies there, and then right into little holes there, so that'll be pretty decent to put together. Put the engine in, do your interior stuff. It gives you tips on painting for the interior, which is cool. Always like a little help when it comes to that type of thing. And here's the rear wheels and front wheels. Oh, they have look at there, guys. The tires have a rotation to them, so make sure you pay attention when you're putting yours together. You know, if that matters to you, make sure that the tires are pointing in the right direction. And then there, fog lamps. Okay. Master cylinder. Okay, that one part, number 56, was the air intake filter. Okay. That's that one part. But then there was that other one that was chrome. Let's look again real fast, guys. I'm sorry. I know your time's important, but I really like to be thorough when it comes to these things. Yes, that part of the engine. That's it, yeah. Well, this says step 2, engine assembly, but where's step 1? Well, what the heck? Oh, oh, there it is. I'm sorry. Step 1 is before you begin. Really? Okay. They had me confused there for a minute. I thought I was losing my mind. So yeah, what I thought was the windshield washer reservoir thing is actually a power steering reservoir cap, they call it. It goes right there. So that's kind of cool. A little bit of detail that's often overlooked. Yeah, I don't see that other chrome part, guys. This piece right here, whatever that is, 504. There's 504. It's kind of a chrome looking thing with a little, it almost looks like a belt buckle for your pants. But I don't see it on here, so maybe it's a part for another kit. But then again, I couldn't find step number 1 just a minute ago, so keep that in mind. Alright folks, that's it for this one. That's the AMT Ertl 1997 Chevy Corvette. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.